Nice skating, Maddie. Nice skating, Mom. Having a good time? Having a good time?
Yeah? Yeah? You're doing so good, bud.
How about you, Luca? You having a good time? You want to go skating? Yeah. Come on, Luca. Let's go. Luca, hold my hand. You want a cracker? It would be a skating party without snacks. Yeah. Come on, hold my hand. Let's go. That's it. Skate over here. Good job. Looks like you got food on your face.